All right, everyone, get your shopping list ready because we're talking what to buy when the market sells off. First of all, are we in a sell-off even? Here's what's coming up, guys. Strong stocks in a weak market. We're going to talk about finding what is strong even when the overall market is coming to the downside. And major levels. You want to go out to the higher time frames and find the major levels to work off of. And obviously, where do we get in? That's another key. Neil, lead the way here. When it comes to what to buy when the market sells off, where are we going first?
You can always think of themes that are strong, right? Like aging population, healthcare has been strong. I love healthcare, so find a really strong name like a Danaher, which I'm going to bring up here, DHR, that maybe you're not in, because I'm not in this one, wife is, that you absolutely love and you think has been a strong company, and then you look for that opportunity to get in at some good prices. So you look for something which has been stronger than the overall market, at least recently, that has been the case here. And then when you're waiting for those pullbacks, I mean, we're not even anywhere near the 50-period moving average or first support at a 311. You go back and you say to yourself, oh, there's some pie in the sky prices you're going to like. I'm going to love a cluster at 275 area if it even has any chance of getting down there. Going to absolutely love a previous breakout price and a double resistance at 265, 270. So you start to identify those prices, A, where you want to get in on those dips, and then B, start thinking about where those like really, really panic levels can be for you to be able to get in. But this is a strong stock. Certainly we've identified that. It's a theme that I already like and a name that I'm looking to add to maybe your portfolio in that particular, healthcare sector. So I love this one. I've been hunting for a pullback, and the market sentiment is likely to give me that opportunity, and that's what you go and do. You find names that you believe are strong that maybe you didn't want to buy at those highs.
Great name, and I'm going to do something that really hasn't been super strong. So it's kind of like one of those things where you don't need much of a market pullback, in my opinion, to buy Boeing. And you know, the reason why I like Boeing, again, I feel like if the market does sell off, it's going to be, you know, due to more COVID fears and whatnot, things like that. So, I mean, we're already kind of at this bottom right now with Boeing of 210. And I mean, that's a pretty key level, like we talked about. But I just, even if you just jump this right down, and this isn't a little bit, maybe a little bit more realistic to come through faster than Neil's play. But I mean, who knows? Any of these could crash at any time. But 190 right here, where we made a nice little high of 250 on Boeing. And then it was just negative, all the way back down to 190. And then we sort of caught a bid. So 190 was right in here as well. Old highs before dropping down to 146, coming back up, testing around, then going up, back down, back up again. And right now we're at 190. So you just need about another, down, or sorry, that's 210, but 190 down here on Boeing. I like it. I think the Chinese, as soon as they've got their game plan figured out, I believe that they come in and buy some more planes. Southwest, Delta, a bunch of airlines getting back on board here. A market decline lets you buy Boeing down here, I believe, at 190. And I think that's one where you can put that away for at least a couple years until we get back to 250, 260, 270. It just takes some good reports, right? World travel, things like that. It's pretty much a monopolistic business. So I like Boeing on any dips.
All right, let's go to the retail sector to wrap things up here. We talked about 3 stocks, so let's discuss one more here, guys. Home Depot. I'm going to go back to an old favorite, Home Depot. I mentioned strong stocks in a weak market. Overall, the market is now 2.7% off all-time highs. Look at Home Depot testing recent highs. So even if we get above this kind of high, I mean, all-time highs just ahead of you then, 345. But any kind of a dip, 325, I mean, the 50 period down here at 320. I marked off this level. I mentioned major levels. Go out to a daily chart and find those major levels. 314, 315 was tested multiple times. This one didn't even get down to 316. So Home Depot, gotta love it. Everyone always wanting to improve their property, their homes, regardless. Lots of people still shopping at Home Depot and will continue to. Hope that helps, guys. Here's Miss V.
Hey guys, thank you for sharing this useful information. Dear viewers, please subscribe to this channel to see more great videos.